Our 33rd question. Which system helps to produce young ones? 33rd. Which? Which system helps to produce young ones? A. Respiratory. B. Reproductive. C. Circulatory. And D. Excretory. So which is the correct answer? Which system helps to produce young ones? The reproductive system helps in producing young ones. Let's look at the 34th question. To remain healthy, it is necessary to remain healthy. To remain healthy. It is necessary to. It is necessary. Necessary to do what? A. Take a balanced diet. Take a balanced diet. B. Exercise regularly. C. Drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of water. And D. All of these. Okay. Now, to remain healthy, it is necessary to take a balanced diet, drink plenty of water, exercise regularly, all of these. Okay? Now, 35th question. Which of the following is not a function of skeletal system? Which one of the following? Which one of the following is not a function of skeletal system? A. Gives shape and support. Gives shape and support. B. Protects soft inner parts. Option C. Pumps blood to all parts. Okay. Which of the following is not a function of the skeletal system? Okay. Now, pumping blood to all parts of the body, that is not function of the skeletal system. It gives shape and support, protect the inner, softer organs. All right. 36th question. Let's look at 36th question. Headache, migraine, tumor are the problems of what system? Headache. Migraine. And tumor. Are the problems of dash system. A. Option A, digestive. Option B, nerves. Option C, muscular. And option D, reproductive. Okay, now a question is headache, migraine, tumor. When you talk about that, it's the problem of which system? A nervous system. All right. Finally, we have the 37th question. Let's look at that. Which one of the following is mismatched? Which one of the following is mismatched? Mismatched. A, digestive system. Digestive system. Digest the food. Digest the food. Option B, respiratory system. respiratory system. Respiratory system helps to take in oxygen. Helps to take in oxygen. And give out carbon dioxide. Option C, nervous system. Nervous system helps in movement. Helps in movement. All right, let's look at all these answers. Which one of the following is mismatched? Digestive system, digest the food. Respiratory system, helps to take in oxygen, give out carbon. Correct. Nervous system, helps in movement. So this one is mismatched. Okay. The nervous system helps in movement is mismatched. Now, let's look at all our question and the answers. Which system helps to produce young ones? Reproductive system helps in to produce young ones. To remain healthy, it is necessary to take a balanced diet, drink plenty of water, exercise regularly, all of this. Which one of the following is not a function of skeletal system? Pumping blood to all parts of the body is not a function of the skeletal system. Headache, migraine, tumor are the problems of which system? Nervous system. Which one of the following is mismatched? Digestive system, digest food. Respiratory system, helps to take in oxygen, give out carbon dioxide. Nervous system helps in movement. That is mismatched. So that is the correct answer. Nervous system is mismatched.